I'm Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, Integrated Campus, Hyderabad. I'm going to explain to calculate the quantity of earthwork for roads and canals. I explained the formulas to calculate the quantity of earthwork for roads and canals. In previous videos, we studied all the different types of formulas. Here one is the problem, how to solve this problem. Okay, here if you see this problem, and I will explain how to solve this problem here. Okay, now if you see this problem is a railway embankment is 10 meters, that is 10 meters length, wide with slopes 1.5 is to 1, that is 1.5 is to 1. That means yes, slope equal to 1.5. Assume the ground level to be level in the direction transverse to the center line. See, we are assuming that ground level is same, at the same level. So generally, if you observe on the earth, definitely there is a slope. Okay, but here in this problem, we are assuming that the ground level is same, the uniform ground level. Calculate the volume contained in a length of 120 meters. So the length of embankment is 120 meters. The center heights at 20 meter intervals is 2.2, 3.7, 3.8 meters, 4 meters, 3.8 meters, and 2.8 meters, 2.5 meters. So here change generally, as you know, as I explained, length is 30 meters or 20 meters. See, every 20 meters, center heights is 20. Okay. Here, what is the formula? Here, what is formula to calculate area? Okay. Area of cross section is equal to, see here, I will increase this size. Yeah, see, are you able to see this one? Yeah, area is equal to, what is the formula? You know, we know that B D plus S D, yeah, say small d square. That is here square, right? See, this is the formula. Now this you can write A equal to, you take D as a common, right? Small d here. If you take this one, you will have B plus, here you have written small, and S D. Okay. This formula you can write area of the section is given by this formula what here we have shown, right? See, we have different areas. Here N or S are both are same. Here S equal to, in this problem, N is equal to N. So in this problem given N, okay, N, small n, right? See, if you see, this is equation to calculate area of the cross section, right? Now I will explain how to. Now in next slide we'll see, we'll calculate. See here, D1, D2, D3 are given. D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Okay. Here D7 up to D7 given. That is depths given D1, D2, D3, D4. Now we are going to calculate D1, D2, D3, D4. Right. See here, if you see this one, right? See here in this problem, what is the D1 here? D1 is equal to, in this problem mentioned as 2.2 meters. This is D1. Say here smallly, right? Here, say D1. Okay, from the problem, that if you see here, this is D1, right? Now you write D2. D2 how much? Here D2 how much? Here automatically taking capital but small, that is 3.7 meters, right? Similarly D3 is equal to how much? 3.8 meters. Okay, and what is here? D5, right? See D4, here assume that D4 is small letters, as default is taking capital letters. Now 4 meters, right? 4 meters. This is depth of the canal, that is embankment of railway, right? D5, what is D5? D5 is equal to here 3.8 meters in, right? 3.8 meters. No down, these are all things. See D6, how much? That is 2.8 meters in, right? And D7 is equal to 2.5 meters. 2.5 meters. Now we know D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6. We have to calculate total quantity of embankment, because as a transfer, there is no transfer slope, uniform section is there. We have to calculate only areas. Okay. See here you can establish instead of D, here D1, D2, D3, you have to calculate area 1. Okay, that is A1 is equal to, this is equal to, you have to calculate, right? What is the formula? Here B plus N or S D into D, or you can write BD plus SD square. This equal to how much? Here B is equal to what? How much? Here if you see, B equal to given is the width of the formation is, 10 meters. So here what is B given? B is equal to 10 meters, right? You substitute these values in this one, right? So that is equal to B10. Here, if you see here, if you go here, D, this value is equal to under bracket 10 plus what is S? S is here 1.15. 1.5 into what is D here? D1 2.2, right? Bracket close. What is D here? 2.2. So calculate. See, calculate. Tell me what is the answer. Now this answer you are going to get. You already have calculated. Here for I got 29.26 meters square. This is area. Okay. Okay. This is square meter, right? In this way, you have to calculate similarly A1, A2, A3, right? From this one, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, we calculate cross-sectional areas across the embankment, right? So now, if you see, we have two formulas. What are those formulas? Volume by trapezoidal rule, V equal to D first area plus last area by 2 plus remaining areas A2 plus A3 plus A4, A5, A6 up to A minus N minus 1 area. That equal to, if you calculate it, that is here given V equal to, this is given D is here values given that depth L here, this is L. L is equal to 20 given, right? Okay, this is 20 here, 20 meters. Centralized, the distance is, that D is difference, this D is difference. Okay, this is say L. In this formula, L equal to 20 by 20 plus A1 plus A last area divided by 2 is equal to 21.26 plus last, but last one area is 34 point, that is A6. This is A6. So in this way, we have to calculate by a formula, you will get 6,248.9 meter cube. Similarly, you can calculate pyramidal rule L by 3, A1 plus N plus 2 sum of odd areas plus 4 sum of even areas. Then if you calculate L by 3 is equal to 20 by 3, 20 plus this is first area plus last area. This A2, A4, A6, this is A3, A5 and A7, like that. Okay. In this way, we have to calculate sum of even areas and odd areas. Here 3 and 5, here 2, 4, 6, like that. This is 4 times, this is 2 times, and we will calculate area. If you calculate, you will get 6,316.5 meter cube. In this way, we have to do the problem. Okay, thank you. I will explain one more problem in the next video. Thank you.